Hello and welcome. I'm Jonah. Today we are going to work on demographic data analyzer with FreeCodeCamp. We will read census database and answer these questions using pandas. All the markdowns in here already to make it easier to write the code, and I copied, paste to my atom, and now ready to code. First, we need to read CSV file. Using pandas read CSV and put file name here. Let's print info. Now it shows columns and what are inside the columns. Next, they ask us to show each race in this database. So we will select column race and use function value counts to show data in this race column. Next, find an average age of men. First, show me all the gender. There are male and female. Now select gender that is only male and show me age column. Then find mean. Next, find how many people who have bachelors. First, we find who have bachelors. Select column of education, filters by bachelors. Then we need a total number of every types of education. Then calculate percent of people who have bachelors. And then next, 5% of people with high education and rich, and also 5% of people without high education and rich. So first, we find people with high education by selecting column of education with bachelor, and then do the same with master and also doctorate. And collect off those who are without bachelor, without master, and without doctorate. So to calculate percent, we want a total number of high educated people who are rich. And total number of high educated people. Then calculate percentage of rich people in this group. Next, do the same. That find total number of low educated people who rich. And total number of low educated people. and calculate percentage of rich people in this group. Next, find the minimum number of hours a person works per week. First, select column of hours per week and then find mean. Next, calculate percent of people who work minimum hour and get rich. So we need to find a total number of people who work minimum hours and rich. And then calculate to a percentage. Next, what country has the highest percentage of rich people? We need to find rich people and show me the country. Then find total population of each country so we can calculate percentage of the rich people by country. Now we have percent rich by country, and then we want to find the top number, which is max. But here we want the name of the country, so we use function index max, which gives us the name of the country who has the highest percentage of rich people. And similar here, we want max value now, so we use max function that gives us the value of maximum number of selected column. And the last question is to find top occupation in India that rich people do. First, select a country, India, and then find the rich people in India. This value count shows all columns, but we want only occupation and counts. Now we can pick top occupation using max function, but here we want the name of occupation, so we use index max function. Now let's do the last check. It takes some time, In the meanwhile, I use this page as a reference when working with pandas. It shows all the functions and examples of how to use them. That's how I completed this challenge. Many things I have learned from this site, so I highly recommend it. Now we pass all the tests. I hope this video gives you an idea of how to use pandas to read from database and to analyze the data. Thanks for watching and bye for now.